Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook an easy and yummy rice recipe, pineapple fried rice. We will need 1 cup pineapple, 12 pieces shrimp, 'Slice 7 pieces of shrimp and leave 5 pieces for garnishing. 1 medium-sized onion, 2 eggs, 3 cups rice. For the seasoning, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Whoops! Let's repeat. For the seasoning, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons fish sauce, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 2 teaspoons curry powder. We will also need half a teaspoon pepper, 2 stalks of spring onion, and half cup of cashew nut. Heat up around 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan in medium heat. Once the oil is hot enough, fry the shrimps. Set aside the shrimps for a while. Using the same pan and oil, saute the onion. Add the rice and continue to mix until the rice grain disintegrates. The next step is to add the eggs. Beat the eggs before adding it in the pan. Part the rice sideways, making a space in the middle of the pan. Pour in the beaten eggs, but do not mix it yet with the rice. Just continue to stir until some of the egg solidifies. While the egg is still runny and creamy, mix everything together. Add the soy sauce, fish sauce, and curry powder mixture and mix well. Add the shrimp bits, pineapple, and spring onion. And mix it up again for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not overdo this because we do not want to overcook the pineapple and release too much juice. Lastly, add the pepper and cashew nuts and mix it up until everything is well incorporated. Here's our pineapple fried rice recipe. This is an easy but very satisfying dish that you can prepare for your loved ones. Do not skip the cashew nuts because it adds a nice crunch to the dish. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!